We are still with the Daosa family, who paid a visit to Benin City. This time we are here with the father-in-law and the mother-in-law together in the studio. We'll be having a brief tete-a-tete with the father-in-law and the mother-in-law. Sir, you are welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. May we know your name, sir?
Kari.
Mr. Corey.
Yeah.
You're welcome to Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
And of course, Benin City, the heartbeat of the nation. So, I have a few questions for you. The first question is your visit to Nigeria and Benin in particular. What is your experience so far in Benin?
Yeah. Is it possible? Is my English is not very good. See, translate what I question and I said.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Eli minkälainen on ollut sun kokemus täällä Beninin Cityssä?
Joo, tämä on minun toinen kertani.
It's my second time here.
Ja olen todella niin kuin ihastunut.
And I'm extremely, I'm loving it a lot.
Okay. So, is this your first time of coming to Nigeria?
No, it's second time.
Second time?
Yeah.
Okay. Your first time, visiting Nigeria, what was the experience like?
Ensimmäistä kertaa, kun tulit tänne Beninin Cityin, niin minkälainen oli sun kokemus?
Kokemus, totta kai se on aina kulttuurillinen iso ero.
It's always a big cultural difference.
Ilmasto erilainen.
The
temperature
is different. Weather is different.
Ihmiset erilaisia.
People are different.
Käyttäytymistavat erilaisia.
The cultural behaviors is different.
Ja liikenne erilaista.
And the traffic is extremely different.
se on eräällä tavalla kulttuurinen shokki.
It's almost somewhat of a cultural shock.
Okay. I believe your in-law must have taken you, to several places of interest in Benin. Can you tell us a few places you visited?
Richie on varmaan vienyt teitä vaikka minnekä täällä Beninin Cityssä, niin voitko kertoa joitakin paikkoja, missä te olette käyneet?
Me on käyty Richin entisessä koulussa.
We've been at his old school, where he used to grow up in the school.
Me on käyty kirjapainossa, jossa tehdään edonkielisiä kirjoja.
We've been to see where they make Edo books.
Me on käyty eläintarhassa.
To the zoo.
Missä muualla me on käyty?
Jalkapallo.
Me kävimme katsomassa jalkapalloturnausta.
We went to see a football tournament where he used to play football.
Ja Richin synnyinkodissa on käyty.
And where he was born.
Okay.
Ja kirkossa.
Church.
Okay.
Ja torilla.
To the marketplace.
Ja en osaa sanoa vielä, missä keretään käydä muualla.
And then
Korut paikka.
Se kerrottiin.
Where the home of bronze where we born.
Igun.
Yeah, Igun Street.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Many places.
Okay, so many places. All right, sir. Before your daughter met our brother, have you heard anything or any historical narrative about Benin Kingdom that
ennen kuin
interests you?
minä tapasin Richin ja toin meidän perheeseen, niin olitko ikinä kuullut mitään Beninin kaupungista?
Nothing.
Okay, nothing. As popular as Benin
Zero.
Kingdom. Okay. All right. Considering the social life in Benin, all right. So, what differences do you observe between the social life here and what you have in Finland?
Minkälaisia havaintoja olet tehnyt nigerialaisesta kulttuurista ja sosiaalisesta elämästä ja myös tämä taloudellinen aspekti ja ihan kaikkeen suomalaiseen verrattuna?
Joo, taloudelliseen aspektiin olen pystynyt tutustumaan vain kuluttajan näkökulmasta.
Mä en edes tiedä, mitä tuo tarkoittaa.
Olen voinut vain olla turistin roolista katsomassa taloudellista näkökulmaa.
He said for the economical side of his opinions, he has only gotten to know the aspect of being a tourist here.
Okay.
So he doesn't have a lot to say about that.
Alright.
Mutta sen, minkä minä olen havainnoinut, niin täällä on potentiaalia paljon, jota ei ole ekonomisessa mielessä käytetty.
But the small that he has observed that he thinks there's a lot of potential here in Benin City or Nigeria that hasn't been used.
Enkä puhu niin kuin luonnonvaroista, vaan puhun siitä miten täällä asiat voitaisiin saada tehtyä ehkä nykyaikaisemmin ja tehokkaammin.
He feels like maybe there's a lot of potential of doing things very differently that could change, that you could change a lot of things, and there's potential to do things a lot.
All right. You mentioned just now that there are some potentials that has not been tapped, into in Nigeria. But can you give us a few examples of some of those potentials that you see, that has yet, to be tapped into?
Mitä sun mielestä olisi?
Mehän täällä on paljon ihmisiä ja mehän tuotamme esimerkiksi paljon jätettä.
There's a lot of people here in Nigeria, and in general, us people, humans, we produce a lot of waste.
Okay.
Se on minun näkökulmasta katsottuna raaka-ainetta, jota voidaan kierrättää, josta voidaan tehdä uusia tuotteita ja energiaa.
He feels like that is potential for recycling and using it again. So he feels like the waste that there is could be used potentially for something else in kierrätys.
To process.
Recycling. Recycling.
Okay. Waste recycling.
Yes.
And to produce
Because then there's
Yes.
a produce that you can
Tämä
use.
on yksi iso esimerkki.
That's just one big example that he has.
Yeah, in Nigeria generally, we generate a whole lot of waste, and those waste are not being recycled, to be reused. That is one of a few potentials that we are yet to tap into as Nigeria. Oh, thank you very much, sir. So, Mommy, I think we have to, move over to you. Just, give you just 2 questions, to answer before we round up this section. Mommy, welcome. So, the first question I have is this: as a mother, I believe you are more closer than your doctor, than the father. And again, consider the racial differences and cultural differences between your in-law and your daughter. Okay, were you not skeptical, of their relationship before it culminated into marriage?
USA, Canada, UK et Europe keve agberoborea urodu wirogera ije etwere ugwavidian ehenia wa de bamave tap send uga le promo code me no VOBTV owa pani average 20 pounds inwe were ogenu ya le promo code me ewoma e ahora meroji no wa de bame the tap send no wa le promo code me kere no wa ya ri wa jewa.
Oliko sulla ennakkoluuloja niin kuin mun ja Vichin suhteen alussa ja ylipäätänsä, että niin kuin ne kulttuurierot ja muuta? Sä voit vastata suomeksi, niin mä voin kyllä.
Joo. Meillä on 5 lasta.
We have 5 children.
Ja meillä on ollut 4 vaihto-oppilasta
We have had
eri maista.
4 exchange students all over the world in our household when we were more little, as I was younger.
Ja meidän lapsia kahta vaille kaikki ovat itse olleet vaihto-oppilaita.
And almost all of the children has been exchange students in different countries.
Ja sitten Riitta voit sanoa
Joten se kulttuuriero oli ihan normaalia. Me olemme erilaisia.
She feels like it's normal, and for her it was it wasn't something to adapt too much into because she already knew that there's cultural differences in every every
Ja
country.
meillä on kotimaassa ravintolatoimintaa ja meillä on 9 eri kulttuuria töissä.
And then my father said that because they have a business in Finland, they have 10 different restaurants all over
Wow.
in Finland. So he said that also their workers, they have montako?
9 eri kulttuuria.
9 different what is it called? Nationalities in the
Wow.
in the
Okay, it's like
Workplace.
you were already exposed,
international.
you know,
Yeah.
to people from different cultural and the racial background.
Eli olit jo
Okay,
tottunut
that is why you
kulttuurillisesti.
didn't find it so strange.
Ei
You know,
ollut
your
niin.
daughter marrying
Joo.
marrying our brother. That's
Yes.
quite fine.
Yeah.
So, mommy, the last question I have for you: since you came to Benin, what have you enjoyed here?
Mikä on ollut sun mielestä kivaa täällä?
Suomalaiset lähtevät lämpimään, se on yksi. Ja tietysti sukulaiset.
The warm weather and then of course the in-laws that we've met.
Sukulaiset, kyllä.
Yes.
Että hän saa nähdä vanhemmat,
So that-
isovanhemmat.
So that Esosa can meet the grandparents and
Okay.
so mom has enjoyed meeting his side of the family.
Okay.
Joo, se on tärkeää.
Okay.
And she feels like it's important for Esosa to meet the grandfather.
And if also-
Joo.
Okay.
Yes, and Efosa.
Okay, Efosa is not here.
He's sleeping, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Madam, let me throw a question to you.
Okay,
This first time Efosa is coming to Benin to see the grandparents.
sure.
Okay. Now, what was the euphoria like? You know, seeing the grandparents seeing her for the first time.
Oh, it was beautiful.
Okay.
It was wonderful.
Yeah, because she do talk to them.
She do talk, yeah.
Or via WhatsApp, video call and all that. So
Okay.
she was familiar with them before she came.
Okay.
It was really beautiful.
Thank you. So, generally, sir, let me throw this question to you before we round up this
Isälle
session.
kysymys.
I believe you are so much, enjoying, the marriage between your daughter and our brother. So, if there is any other opportunity for you to give out your daughter to another Benima, would you do so?
Niin kuin meillä on siis 3 poikaa ja 2 tyttöä.
He has three boys and 2 girls.
Okay.
Ja minun mielestäni
My opinion,
isän tärkein tehtävä on huolehtia, että tytär pääsee hyvän ihmisen kanssa naimisiin.
as a father, his own job is to see that his daughter meets the right man.
Okay.
Sillä ei ole minulle merkitystä, mistä hän on muuta kuin, että hän on hyvä ihminen.
Yeah, it's not it's not my thing to know where the man is from. What matters to him is that the man is a good man.
Niin kuin Ritsi.
Same as me. Just like me.
Oh, he's a good in-law,
Yes.
of course.
Yeah.
I believe you must be proud of him.
Oletko ylpeä Utsista?
Yes.
Because
Thank you very much, sir. So, lastly, when are you people visiting Benin City or Nigeria again?
Milloin tullaan uudestaan?
Se riippuu tästä perheestä.
it depends on us.
Us, apparently it depends on us,
Yeah.
not
Oh, okay.
them.
Okay.
We won't come here alone.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We need them.
Okay, to come together with them. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank
So,
you.
what do you have to say to our viewers?
Onko jotain sanottavaa niin kuin nigerialaisille?
Olkaa ylpeitä juuristanne.
Be proud of your
Your culture.
yes,
Kulttuuri,
culture.
Okay,
kulttuurista.
be
joo.
proud of your culture.
Ja tehkää itsestänne päivittäin parempia ihmisiä kuin te olette tänään.
And every day try to be a more better person than yesterday or today.
Thank you very much. So, we'll hope to see you next time when you come again to Nigeria, then in a bigger form. All right?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very
So,
much.
nice
Thank
meeting
you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Iwe Donirowa keneresi wa wesi ma ka abopo mu wa ohinwie a megbe vedowe.
Uwese kakabo.
So I say bye to our people.
Kiitoksia paljon.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Ivia donuzomo. Waya wese ema na gawe masioko ore eta ore denego. Waya wese oma idausa family wala ho dobe wa we gbere wa ebi dovan egeni no give digba so na wa do wa. Waya wese ivia donu wa kedirisi oma o edekere
ugo one lungo me no ku be wo be he onavo eri evila eroya ona ogbe court no re igwomo ve upe opasi loko wa agbera ego wuwe oto wa de a oto ne mo kene me gborodo nezo ye ka de ma nudo de oto ve ogbe court estate ogogbon nada ke na hin benu gwalo eji ehiare ma benu bose oge 2.5 million ro oge 2 million ro oge 1 million 250 ro oge 1 million eruwe benu bose no na gege ne apegogo ne aike ka we otofone wa we ugo omaluwe no kwede onana ya wa khiena ni egege na uwonu doto bulega die ogbe court lore opasi loko wa onu de ra wonu nota ti elabana no begeve ototo na no 08055857141